how to add hashtags on YouTube. So first, go to your YouTube studio and then just go to your content. And then here, once a year, you can just open up one of your videos that you want to add a hashtag. So for example, I'm going to open up this draft here. So just click on the pencil icon here. And then here on the description, you can begin adding hashtags. So here, you just need to type in your hashtag here, and then just type in the hashtag that you want to add. So for example, I'm going to add funny. So I'm just going to type in fun. And then as you can see now, you can see a lot of hashtags that shows here that you can add to your YouTube video. So just choose one. As you can see, now you can do that again. So just type in hashtag again. So now I'm just going to add animals. So I'm just going to type in any. And as you can see now, you can see a lot of hashtags here again. So let's say I'm going to choose animals here. And there you go. Now you can just add another hashtag if you want. And then if you're done with it, you can just tap on next and then just begin uploading your video. Alright, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.